Do you like to go camping? Do you haul livestock? Or do you have a gooseneck trailer? Having the right hitch for the job makes all the difference. When you combine reliability, convenience, and the legendary Reese name, you may just have the perfect fifth wheel hitch. Introducing Reese's M5 fifth wheel hitch. The Reese M5 combines ease of use with groundbreaking tech. The most notable feature is the exclusive Talon Jaw. The Talon Jaw allows you to simply back in, secure, and you're ready to go. No need to prep the hitch before backing up. Another great feature of the M5 is the tow, no tow indicator. This red or green indicator clearly indicates when you have a secure connection with your trailer. When it comes time to unhook your trailer, the M5 hitch allows you to easily release the pin, even under load. The Reese M5 hitch is an easy to use, easy to install, and convenient hitch that's designed to last the lifetime of your vehicle. So when you're done fighting your current fifth wheel hitch, give us a call because you know that Meyer has it.